Alright, welcome back to the channel once again. I hope you all are doing well out there and that you and your families are staying healthy and safe. So today I brought to the channel a new product made by Ulanzi, which I think some of you might find interesting, especially if you like to create videos and content for your own channels or blogs and video related projects. And it's called the Ulanzi U-200, which is a camera ring light video rig. And it can be used with your smartphone camera, DSLR, or mirrorless cameras as well. Let's open it up and check it out. So once you open up the box, you'll see a top foam cover that protects the light. And inside is the light itself, and everything it comes with nicely stored inside of a precision cut foam box. I personally would have preferred all of this to already come inside of a storage bag, but I guess at this price, you don't really get that. So you get an instructions manual in English, a smartphone holder, a Type-C USB cable for charging the light, and last, you have the ring light itself. Now it's not shaped as a typical, quote, ring light, and I myself would call it for what it is, a rectangular light, but it does look like a very well designed LED light to help achieve better lighting for your videos. The rig has two lights on the top and two shorter ones on the sides, and it does have a bit of weight to it when holding it up with your hands, though I do like the fact that you can use it as a camera rig, which helps you keep a steady movement when filming video, so that's cool. At the bottom of the rig is where you would mount the smartphone holder or your camera. And on the top you have three cold shoe mounts for attaching accessories such as a microphone or a camera rig handle. You also have two 1/4-inch threaded screw holes for mounting it on a light stand or on a tripod either vertically or horizontally. Right here you have the USB slot to charge the light using the provided USB cable. And over here you have the on and off button and two scrolling wheels. This one here is to control the dimmer function, and this one is to adjust the light's temperature from cool to warm. And over here on the side is the battery light indicator. It has an internal battery that's a 7.4 volt, 8000 milliamp hour. The power output is 20 watts, and the input voltage is 5 volts with a input current of 2 amps. And the light's adjustable temperature is between 2500 to 8500 Kelvin. To turn on the light, you press and hold for 2 seconds until it turns on. If you press the button once, it'll turn off the side lights, which creates a sort of diffused or softer lighting. To dim the light, you just scroll on the dimmer wheel. And to change the lighting temperature, you scroll on the temperature adjuster wheel. And that's pretty much it for the U-200 camera light video rig. I personally like this light because of how easy it is to operate and the quality of lighting that it provides to my videos. I also like the fact that I can also use it as a camera rig with my DSLR cameras, which is cool. All in all, I definitely would recommend this light to those who are looking to add better lighting to your videos. Alright, so now that I've gotten that out of the way, I'd like to announce that I'll be giving away one brand new DR02 drone strobe light made by Ulanzi. Now I've reviewed this strobe light on the channel a while back, and you can actually check it out here if you want. So for the giveaway, you'll have to follow these 3 rules that I mention here. Number 1, you must be a subscriber to the channel. Number 2, leave a comment below with your first name and the country that you're from. And number 3, what drone will you be using the DR02 with? Now I'll run this giveaway contest for 1 week from the publishing date of this video, and we'll randomly choose one subscriber from the comments below. So do make sure that you follow the rules, and all the best to everyone that participates. And that's a wrap. You guys already know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and all of that other good stuff. God bless you all, and I hope to see you on the next one.